Hey guys, today I'm gonna try and learn how to use the git cherry pick command because I don't know how to use it. So we're just gonna Google. Actually, we'll just use ChatGPT. How do I use git cherry pick and what does it do? Okay, git cherry pick is a powerful command that enables you to take your commit from one branch and apply it onto another. Okay. Okay, cool. Yep, I get it. So let's show you how to do a git cherry pick. This involves understanding branches. So in git, if you do git log one line, because it's easier to read, we see we are on the main branch, and also we can see the remote origin, because you remember last video we did git remote origin. That's also on the main branch. So, but if we type git branch and then the name of the branch, so git branch staging, for example, and then let's do git status maybe on branch. Yep, so git status tells us which branch we're on. We're on branch main. So to change branches, we want to check out to the branch that we just created. Now, instead of typing the whole branch name, you can just do st and then tab, and it automatically fills that out. So now we are on the staging branch. You can see here we are on the staging branch. Let's change something. Git diff to so now we can see our changes there. Okay, so we've just done a commit on the new branch. Yep. So now let's copy the hash of that commit. So we are going to cherry pick this from the other branch. So if we check out to main, git, now let me see, is it git cherry dash pick, and then the commit hash. Oh, that's super handy. I actually don't use that, have never used that command, but I will be using it from now on. I'll also be utilizing branches more, because that I can see that's definitely a handy command to have in your arsenal, in your git workflow. So now if we do git log one line, we see that cherry pick has been committed on the main branch. So that's how you could bring a branch. You could cherry pick commits. If you have a commit that deployed, for example, you could cherry pick that to the production branch, stuff like that. Anyway, maybe drop a comment and let me know what you think I should cover in the next video. Cheers, bye.